RC, well informed is well connected.
Hello, on behalf of Graduate School of E-Learning, I'm acting as the Dean of Graduate School of E-Learning. I firstly would like to congratulate all graduates of this year. First of all, you are one of our valuable resources graduated from ABAC University. So whatever degree you obtain from our university, you consider to be one of our alumni. So please remember and forever, you are our very fruitful products of the university. Come back to us anytime that you feel like. And don't forget that whatever you graduate in master, in PhD, you are just starting and just the beginnings of your life. So try to be flexible, try to be tolerant to your life, no matter what's happened. Life is just the wave in the sea. It's coming up and down, swinging up and high, as if you are walking through one of the bridge. Once you're going up to the top of the bridge, one day you have to come down to the bottom levels of the bridge. That means you're reaching the foot of the bridge. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to you all. Bye for now.